doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of Green Valley Ranch in Henderson, Nevada, room 4005. Here. Okay, these are the newly renovated rooms, very recently. So we stayed here a couple of years ago and they've been renovated since then. Come straight in here, you've got a big mirror, massive mirror, really lovely carpet. When you've got no shoes on, it is literally your feet sink in. Take you into the bathroom. I mean, it's amazing. Marble floor, double vanities, beautiful robes. So they're like the satin on the outside and like the really soft on the inside. Mirror there for your makeup. 2 sinks here. You've got some soaps and some amenities in there, and some body lotion, some tissues, shower here, really big shower, plug away. So it's all the marble, some products up there, shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Separate sliding doors into the bathroom, so they've all got these electronic lights, bit of artwork, and there's the toilet, electronic lights here as well, which are separate to the main room, the vanity unit. There you go. Then here you've got your wet bar area. So you've got the coffee machine here with the pods in this drawer. You've got some coffee pods, condiments here, some takeaway cups, your cups. Really lovely there. You've got your do not touches obviously, but then actually in this fridge here there is an area at the bottom there for your own bits and bobs, extra drawers. Oops, all our bits in there. Then you've got the big wardrobes here. You've got a safe just inside here. Lights should come on, which they haven't, but they should do. Interconnecting door to another room there. Big TV, lots of drawer storage space under there. This side of the bed, obviously you've got your big lamp, 2 drawers, USBs, plug, your controls for the lighting. You've got some little lights up here, which are nice. Leather thingy. You've got your ice bucket there and some glasses, big drawers in there. There was one in the drawer in the bathroom, there was hairdryer, and I'd say it's probably one of the best hair dryers I've ever had in the hotel room. Really good hairdryer, seems completely brand new. This side here you've got a little radio clock which has got charging on the top, and then you've got the USB and the controls and another plug. Nice big light there. Then here is your window. We're on the 4th floor, so it's very light. It's only 5 floors here. We've got a view over the pool area, although we have got some palm trees in the way here, but you have got a strip view. So if you can see, we can actually see the sphere over there. If you can see it, you can see the Strat. You can see literally from the Strat all the way to Mandalay. So it's hard to get it on the camera. I'll put some pictures in when in daylight, but it is the most amazing pool area. They say it's one of the best in Vegas, and it blew my mind, so absolutely amazing. So there you go, room 4005, renovated new room 4005, Green Valley Ranch. Highly recommend. There's your AC unit. Yeah, beautiful. I think the bathroom is my favourite. It's absolutely amazing. There's the strip.